Alright, we're taking a kid's medicine syringe to make Sufganiyot jelly donuts out of whole wheat pizza dough. Right, Ivy?
Mm-hmm.
It's wintertime. Why is your bathing suit on? Look behind you is all that snow.
Mm-hmm.
Silly. You like that bathing suit, huh? Now, try one of the little ones. No, wait. Push it all the way in. Hard, hard, hard. Hard, and then try it. Okay. And then you want to eat it and see how it is? I didn't have. Oh, you're right. Let me try that one.
Oh, it tastes really good.
Oh, it kind of fills. But it's not too much.
Oh, I want another taste.
But it's there. That's just enough.
I want another taste.
Okay. Let's try this one now. More jelly on the inside, which is great, but still not too much. And finally, the kids made this for Santa and his reindeer, and we used the syringe for eyes, nose, and a belly button on a person they made. Again, this was whole wheat pizza dough, just baked with no oil, not fried, and not rolled in anything but nice sweet Smuckers natural jelly on the inside.